Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Today's chart continues to show a clear downward structure, with a sequence of lower highs and lower lows forming beneath descending trend lines and key moving averages. We did see a modest bounce from the 89,000 zone, but that move stalled below the resistance region around 94,300. The 200-day moving average still sits far above price near 107,000, keeping the larger market context decisively bearish. On the wave trend indicator, money flow is attempting to shift into the green, following the appearance of the green momentum dot around 89,000. That signal hinted at potential strength to challenge the descending trend line that has been suppressing price since the 11th of November. So far, the upward push looks weak, with a realistic chance that momentum fades and retests the trend line again. Other indicators support this cautious stance. The MACD is showing the very early stages of an upward cross, but the histogram bars are expanding slowly, suggesting any bullish attempt may remain shallow, unless price accelerates more convincingly. The RSI has moved out of oversold territory, but is still in a neutral range, signaling a pause in selling pressure rather than a meaningful reversal. Given this setup, downward pressure continues to dominate. Attempts to reclaim major resistance have failed, and entering aggressive long positions appears premature without a solid break above structure, combined with sustained upward momentum. From a technical standpoint, short-biased hedges remain the more logical approach as long as price stays beneath resistance, especially if local support around 91,500 or the trend line near 90,000 breaks. The overall probability profile still leans downward unless several confirmation factors align at once: trend, momentum, and a clear structural shift. However, while it may feel like the entire market is selling as Bitcoin sits roughly 30% below its last all-time high, large-scale accumulation is quietly taking place. The UAE State Fund has reportedly tripled its Bitcoin exposure during this correction, and Bitcoin spot ETF flows have flipped positive again, finishing with 75.4 million in net inflows. The majority came from BlackRock with 60.6 million, a meaningful reversal after the heavy outflows seen throughout last week. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time insights. Thanks for leaving a comment. It really supports the channel. Click the like button if you got value in this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.